Yo, this video's nuts, yo.
Hey, that's crazy. Hey, that's why hey, that's hoes together. It's like a broke hole collision. It's like a gang of broke hoes, my nigga. Bro, it's like a gang. Look, she wanna crash out cause she broke. She wanna crash out cause she broke. Bro, hey, they be ready to crash out cause they ain't got nothing to lose. They ain't got nothing to lose. Hey, what that is a bunch of hoes that ain't got nothing to lose. Bunch of broke assholes. Look at them ready to crash out. They ready to crash out. Look at them ready to crash out. Look at them. Look at them ready to
Boy, he's moving now, isn't he? He shut up real quick. What's he harassing these girls for? Those, I want to know.
Because I was roasting them. They started roasting me first. Look at this. Well, she almost got me. That's where my head was, out the window. She almost got me. Look at that.
Oh, there you go. What is it? Never judge a book by its cover.